Just downstream of Florence Falls in Litchfield National Park, southwest of Darwin. There's some small Carpentaria palms which are pretty common in the top end. Amazing what grows with a bit of water around the place. This is Florence Falls. In the wet season, when a storm comes through, the rainwater flows over the sandstone plateau above, and some of it flows into cracks in the sandstone and is soaked up like a giant sponge where it's stored. And during the dry season, the water seeps out of this sandstone and keeps all the creeks and waterfalls running. Florence Falls. Well, I made it to the top of this plateau and here's a view from below. Not bad.